Today I've got a Belkin USB 3.0 dual video docking station. We're going to be unboxing. This is a stand for Ultrabooks, really. You can use it for tablets. See, we've got documentation. Just put that over there. Packaging. And the dock itself. Let's see, we've got VGA to DVI-A video adapter. Over there. Power plug. Interchangeable sockets for regions. And USB 3.0 Type A to Type B connector. Let's open this up. Wow, I like this. I like this a lot. Now with this docking station, it's pretty cool. It's got DVI outputs, DisplayPort outputs, Ethernet input, USB 2.0, USB 3, power jack, a couple more USB 3, headphone / microphone port. The really cool thing about this, and I don't have a laptop up here to show you, but imagine this is your Ultrabook would just sit on the docking port like that. So you can have it with the screen open or closed. I'd prefer closed and use the outputs on the back to run multiple monitors. It's got these little hooks here, so you can run the wires up these hooks. You just have the two power and USB input dangling down, so that you just plug them into your Ultrabook when you set it on the dock. At the same time, it's got this nifty little groove here with rubber feet. This one's rubber. These are rubber. These are not. These are like a hard plastic. It's the same hard plastic on the bottom here. So be careful when you're laying your Ultrabook or your notebook or your tablet down on it. Might leave a scratch or two. And that's no bueno. Anyway, it's got this nifty little crevice in the bottom there. Imagine this is a larger tablet. It's actually my G2, and it will slide right in there. You can route it around and plug in your tablet wherever it might be in order to dock it while you're using multiple monitors on it, depending on the tablet. A lot of tablets don't have a USB input, but either way, this is a pretty cool plug-and-play display Belkin docking station. Model number, I don't know if you can zoom in on that, but it is B2B044-C00. Feet on the bottom are rubber, so that's nice. It'll mark up your desk or your surface that you're sitting it on. Very cool. I like that a lot.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching.